Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Protecting the paint on the rear bumper of your Camaro is one thing that is always a concern when driving through roads that have a lot of debris. These rear rock guards I have here are an easy way to ensure a bit more protection, keeping your paint looking its best. These guards are a genuine GM product that are sold as a set, so you will get the left and right side. They are molded to ensure a perfect fit with the rear bumper of your 2010 to 2013 Camaro. The ABS molded plastic guard features a textured outer surface that blends in seamlessly with the other factory components. Installation is easily accomplished since these guards are held in the factory location using the factory screws. The double-sided tape we have here is an added feature to make sure these guards are held firmly in place. Removing the rear wheels will allow us extra room needed to pull back the fender liner and install the guards. With the rear wheels removed, we can remove the 3 T20 Torx screws holding the fender liner to the bumper. We will need to clean the mounting surface of the bumper so the double-sided tape has a good contact point. Then pull the fender liner forward to give us room to install the rock guard. The guard will install behind the fender liner. With the guard in place, we can loosely reinstall the fender liner screws. Once we have the guard in place, we can then pull back the wax paper off the double-sided tape and stick the guard to the bumper, pressing firmly to ensure a good contact point. Then tighten down the screws back in the factory location to finish the installation. Now repeat the process on the other side. Now with these rock guards installed, we can have a bit of extra protection against the road elements we deal with on a daily basis. Also, as I said before, the simple texture on the outside gives these guards a subtle factory look. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.